with the Mark V 1954 Shopsmith. Just got done putting the power head back on, cleaned it all up, all the pulleys, everything's cleaned up, all the sawdust is out, and running pretty good. Ran a test right there just to make sure it's going to work right. And over here I have a serpentine belt where the old glimmer belt used to be. I changed that a while back when I put a 2-bearing quill in here. So yeah, this thing is running pretty good. The speeds move, the sheaves move, opens and closes, got full speed control. Pretty nice. The only thing that would have been nice too is on this one if it would have had the hole here, but on this one that was too old. They didn't put the hole in back then. But anyway, yeah, that's what I've been working on the last few days. Just slid this sucker back on the weigh tubes. Now I'll button it up and be ready to do my next turning.